Let's see the easiest method to solve this particular question within few seconds in the exam. So here it is given from a container having pure milk. So container is there and that particular container is filled with pure milk. 35% is replaced by water. That means 35% of the milk is taken out. Instead of that, 35% of same amount water has been added. The process is repeated thrice, so 3 times the process has been repeated. Next, here it is asked at the end of the third operation, means after the third time when it was replaced, the purity of milk is, means how much percentage of pure milk is there in that particular container that you are asked to find out. So first and foremost, as you can see here, we have 35%. That means it is replaced by 35% of water. So what is the fraction value of 35%? 5% means we know 1 by 20. So here 5 7s are 35. So it will be 7 by 20. That means if the milk or the container was filled with 20 liter of the milk initially, so if this is the initial milk, out of that 7 unit of milk has been taken out, so 20 minus 7 if you do, then you will get 13. So now the milk after the first replacement remaining is 13, and this particular process has been repeated thrice, so you need to do cube on both sides. So you will do cube here because 3 times it was repeated. So cube of 20 is 8000, that is 20 into 20 into 20, and cube of 13, I think you all know square of 13 is 169, and you should also know the cube till 15. So cube of 13, I think you all know, that is 2197. So here the milk remaining is this and the initial milk is this one. So you need to find out the percentage of remaining milk, that is this one, divided by initial milk, that is the total quantity 8000, multiplied by 100 because you are asked to find out the percentage. So first you will cancel this to zeros here. So here you need to divide this by 80, or you just do one thing. Here we have 2197. You just divide it by 10. So you will get 219.7. Now you divide this by 8. So if you divide, then you are getting 8 to the 16. So here 5 will be remaining. If you bring this 9 over here, you will get 8 7s are 56. So from here 3 will be remaining, and here we have decimal, so you need to put a decimal over here. And now after this you need not to solve. As you can see here 27 point something you will get, and here we have 27 point something, so this is going to be a correct answer. So my dear students, if you find the content of this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and to get notification of newly uploaded important contents of our channel, you need to click on the bell icon. See you in the next video with new important content. Till then, keep practicing, keep improving.